Hey guys, my name is Joel. I work at Asia PMO as the digital marketing consultant. Today I'm going to talk to you about the upcoming digital marketing workshop. It's a full-day workshop in which you will learn the fundamentals of digital marketing, starting with identifying your goals, identifying your customer base, identifying your competitors, and then you're going to take all of that and you are going to turn it into a digital marketing strategy. After that, you're going to create a content marketing strategy, combining that with an SEO and keyword marketing strategy. You take your content and then you're going to learn about distributing your content across various channels, including email marketing and social media marketing. Finally, you're going to learn about analytics, how to measure your results and adjust your results in order to improve them. That's it for me, guys. I hope to see you in the next workshop.